Hi, welcome to this tutorial. We'll walk you through how to efficiently manage platform accounts in RoxyBrowser. To get started, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Accounts. Then click the Add Account button. You can search for or select a platform from the list. Enter the account details, and if needed, add a two-factor authentication key. RoxyBrowser supports displaying 2FA codes in the dashboard. You can optionally add a note for easier identification and future management. For adding multiple accounts, click Save and Add More. Repeat this process until all accounts are added. Then click Save to complete the process. When creating a new profile, you can directly assign existing accounts from the platform account list. Click Select. Check the platform accounts you want to use, and they will appear in the list below. Once confirmed, click Create Profile. Back on the Accounts page, you can view which profiles are using the account. When the profile is launched, the selected platform accounts will open in new tabs automatically. On the Accounts page, you can add or update notes, edit existing accounts, or delete accounts if needed. Please note, deletion will unbind them from all profiles, but the login states will remain unless you manually log out. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more RoxyBrowser tips.